The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, any woman who gets married without the consent and approval of her guardian, her marriage is void, void, void. Repeated it 3 times. And the other hadiths, there is no marriage valid without the consent and approval of the guardian and 2 male witnesses. And the vast majority of schools of thought and scholars of Islam agree that such a marriage is invalid. If there is no guardian, so the father is dead, there is no paternal grandfather, there are no uncles, paternal uncles, there are no cousins, she's an orphan, she is not known to have any relatives, they found her at the steps of the masjid and adopted her. She has no wali. In this case, the wali becomes the Muslim judge or the Muslim ruler, as indicated by the hadith. In Kafir countries, there is no such thing as Muslim judge or Muslim ruler, so the one who takes responsibility is the authorized imam of the Islamic center.